TOZO 10 review the best under $30. TOZO 10 True Wireless earbuds offer so much it's hard to believe they cost to title. There much to like when looking at the TOZO 10 piece. You get a solid battery life and support for QI wireless charging. The construction of both the buds and the charging case was an entirely waterproofing rating IP68. Even the build quality itself hints that bad ether. TOZO earbuds are small, ergonomic, and provide excellent comfort. Albeit the fit could be better, and to make things even better, the aerodynamic driver are pushing to punchy pleasant sound. However, they are far from being natural. More on that later. From hearing all that, you might assume TOZO 1020 cost at least $50. In reality, they're below $30. So that the guy, let's dive in a little deeper to see if TOZO T10, the upgrade version, is truly worth the hype. Front sound quality with natural mid-range IP68 rating for both earbuds and charging case, comfortable fit, reliable touch control, USB and C and QI wireless charging, extreme audio display during video, mediocre microphone quality. Sounds. Despite the upside along the deep bass and a slight shimmer in the lower treble, the TOZO T10 managed to sound relatively natural. Check the TOZO T20 version. Even the best cheap earbuds tend to adopt a V shape. V-shaped sound signatures. Some are more successful than other, avoiding bloaty bass and sharp treble range. The TOZO T10 strike a nice balance between bassy and natural, working nicely with different genres from rock, metal, or rap and hip hop. All through, not all is amazing bass. It's all about that bass. Lower frequencies are the most boosted region. There are mostly 20 dB above the natural target in the at the highest part. Airports have an excellent sub-bass extension that is below the advertised 18 Hz. After that, it is steadily declined towards the mid-bass, where it flattens. The bass performance is pretty good, adding warmness to the whole spectrum. Despite its boost, earbuds maintain control and agility. More fast-paced music. The bass performance is pretty good, adding warmness to the whole spectrum. Despite the boost, earbuds maintain control, the agility. For more fast-paced music, where the sheer amount of bass shows its weakness, is high-energy music song and bass 11 7 is heavy or drums and bass guitar, and TOZO T10 struggle to keep up. Listening to Cold Heart by Elton John and Dua Lipa can also result in some bloatedness, but the performance is trouble as it sounds. Mid-range, pleasant and balanced. From 200 Hz to 3K Hz, the mid-range stays pretty balanced and natural surrounding. This tuning saves earbuds from sounding like other generic buds in the price range. Instrument and and vocals sound full and natural, albeit a bit dry. Trouble too much simmer. On the other hand, the hum at 6 Haggard straightly ruins the otherwise promising it adds an unnecessary shyness to vocals and campbells. Speaking by example, they are nicely text-verified and never becomes hashed through. Don't expect many fine details or added treble extension. However, for the price, the performance is pretty good. The sound stage was good depth and have average width. It could ensure you don't hear the stereo sound trap inside your head. In contrast, the imaging is that impressive. They are built sport in between center and left right channel. Overall, most casual listeners will enjoy the TOZO T10 sound. Sure, you get a powerful bass performance, but people don't mind some extra punch. In contrast, because those sing truly authentic sound should look elsewhere or try with a third party software. The best bet are the skull dime, which offer better sound quality, but even they aren't perfectly natural. Comfort and fit. Bluetooth earbuds are small, comfortable, and suitable for similar ears. On the other hand, earbuds tend to lose seal when you smile and shake hand. Tuzu is a simple design, simple earphone-free Pro Tools, which are similar, cheap, truly wireless earbuds. There are no left-right. There are no indicator other than one to more touch control. These comfortable earbuds are small and can easily fit small areas. The housing was a rubber coating to ensure gentle contact with your skin. Thanks to their size, for letting you can wear them for an entry day to ensure a good sale. You get a total of six pairs of six air tips. Six have a mushroom shaped dam or orange nozzle, whereas the other three have two shorter times. The latter are particularly of with the shorter edge canals. However, they are a pain for adult. The only place where the Tuzo logo is located is when monetizing the silicone airs. The tips are sticky, to make earbuds inside during a workout. The Tuzo T10 were fine for usual listening and light outside in base readjusting the earbud held up. Nobody wants to is constantly reposition them. Durability to the return are surprisingly durable and fully dust and water resistant. However, the case is still plastic and could crack when dropped on the floor. Earbuds themselves don't look at all special. Where matter black have shiny circle around touch control at montage before most of the birds are covered in smoothie rubbish and finish face noise to touch. And there are no visible weak points. If I nitpick, the mesh covering the nozzle could eventually peel off, but that is going to happen any time soon. Moving to the charging case, it's quick, big compared to the earbuds and entirely plastic. It doesn't feel overly cheap, but it produces a hollow sound and knocked on that doesn't have much weight to it. Magnets are strong and should keep the lid shut. That important if you want when to tie the case of your backpack with the including string. However, I would advise you not to leave this case dangling around its still made or relatively rigid plastic when could easily break then dropped on the floor. Now let's move on to the waterproofing. Premium sports earbud like Earbuds Vista 2 comes with an IP68 rating for the earbuds and IP54 rating for the charging case. However, it is that managed to have to enter packet protected with an IP68 rating, meaning that even the charging case is waterproof. That it impressive for the price. Design is kept simple TOZO claims and in the innovative TOZO T10 latest and exactly 6 hour and under the 24 inside charging case should be charging at least few days. Also, the earbuds sports quick and quick wireless.